A project proposal is a detailed plan that outlines the objectives, scope, and methodology of a project. It is like a roadmap that guides you through the process of successfully executing a project. Whether you are an individual or part of a team, knowing how to create a compelling project proposal is essential for securing funding and support. To begin, you need to have a clear understanding of the project you want to propose. Identify the problem or opportunity you aim to address and define what you hope to achieve through the project. This will help you set clear objectives and define the scope of your work. Next, you should research and gather relevant information to support your proposal. This includes conducting a thorough analysis of the current situation, understanding the needs and preferences of stakeholders, and exploring potential risks and challenges. By doing so, you can present a well-informed and convincing argument for your project. Once you have a solid understanding and supporting information, it's time to structure your proposal. Start with a captivating introduction that hooks the reader's attention and clearly states the purpose of your project. Then, outline the objectives, deliverables, and timeline of your work. Be specific and provide realistic estimates of costs and resources required. In the main body of your proposal, provide a detailed description of your methodology and approach. Explain how you will implement the project, including the steps, activities, and milestones involved. Additionally, highlight the expected outcomes and benefits that your project will bring. To strengthen your proposal, consider including a section on your qualifications and past experience related to the project. This can increase trust and demonstrate your ability to carry out the work effectively. Finally, conclude your proposal with a convincing summary that reiterates the value of your project and why it should be supported. Proofread carefully for any errors or inconsistencies before submitting your proposal. Remember, a well-crafted project proposal can be the key to securing support and resources for your project. Take the time to plan, research, and articulate your ideas effectively to increase your chances of success.